guys, Nikki here, and today I'm just going to share with you how I have managed to repair the suitcase wheels so that I can bring my suitcase back to life. So just to show you quickly the conditions of the wheels, this one is completely worn out and this one here has a lot of hair tangled up there in the hinges, making it really hard for it to maneuver. I'm just going to show you how I did it, and if I can do it, then anyone can do it. So the best way to find out which one is the right wheel, you'll need to remove it, and to do that, just follow the instruction of how to put it back on and do it in reverse. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, and so I found this pair of wheels on Amazon and it was relatively easy. Just follow the measurements and make sure that all of that is correct, and then you're on the right track and ready to go. And I've just put on the new one on the left hand side just to see that if it worked, and it did. And so just going to quickly show you how this all going to work. So with the suitcases, you'll find that there's always a zipper in the middle, and so the first thing to do is to remove the zip. Well, unzip, not remove the zip. And then you'll look on the inside, and there it is. It's just all bare and available. So on this side, that's where the other wheel was, and I took it off by removing the 4 screws. You can see where the holes are, and so what you need to do is screw the new one back on. Took a while to align the screws into their holes because plastic, and they always have their own slight variation, and so the tip is to not screw all of them in, so just have them on loosely until you feel like it's in its own slot. So I thought that in terms of changing the wheels, it was relatively easy. It still took me about 20 minutes to get it all in, and I actually gave up at one point because I used the wrong side for the one side and I thought I got the wrong size completely. The most challenging part of this entire DIY fix repair was in fact looking for the right wheels, because there are so many different types on the internet, and also a variety of places where you can buy them from. I eventually ended up on Amazon and bought these for about $28 Australian dollars for a pair. And the challenging part was actually finding one by visually gauging the picture, matching it with the one that I took off from the suitcase itself, and also measuring the distance between these holes, so that generally when they sell it, they try to tell you the distance between these places where the nails go in, and I was able to find this particular one that matched the measurements. So yeah, it was a leap of faith, and at the same time a bit of that educated guess. Yeah, and that took 2 days to deliver from Amazon, and here it is. So I mean, it was a good little DIY project to do, and I'm happy that I don't have to throw out the suitcase. And if this video gives you some encouragement to find a way to upcycle your suitcases that you think is no longer in use, then